Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can use the split screen of your Windows. Well, this is both applicable for your Windows 10 and Windows 11. So without further ado, let's go quick into that process. Click on the start button and click on the settings icon. Now, if you cannot access settings through the start button, you can always search for that in the Windows search bar. Click on that under the best match. Then here you'll find system in the list of options on the left pane. Click on that. Then you need to scroll down and you'll find multitasking, snap windows, the stop task switching. And here you'll find snap windows. So if this is turned off in your case, then you need to simply enable the snap windows. Click on this drop down arrow and you also have to check these boxes one by one. Now here, we can simply or manually drag windows into our desktop just to use a split screen. So let's say, for example, I'm going to open the Microsoft Word. Click on that. Minimize this. If I click on the blank document and minimize this. Or I can also adjust this. And if I open the PowerPoint, click on it. Click on blank presentation, and if I'm also going to minimize this and then adjust this to the size that I want and then drag this anywhere on my desktop. And then if I'm going to open another tab or another window, so for example, the File Explorer, and if I minimize this and then pull this into this size, and that's it. So that's how you can multitask with your Windows using split screen. You can do with your task in a Microsoft Word. You can simply type in here. You can simply create presentation here in the PowerPoint window. And you can hover up to the files that you have on your File Explorer just to copy pictures from here or files and then paste it in the Word or in the PowerPoint. And I can easily do that without opening it one by one, just by doing it in a single picture or in single way. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.